Woodpeckers are a diverse family of over 200 species worldwide, except in Antarctica. Can you name them? Their bill is proportionally equal to the length of its head. The length is 26 centimeters. The wingspan is 36 centimeters. Is a hairy woodpecker? Found across northern Europe and Asia, the length is 19 to 23 centimeters. A Eurasian three-toed woodpecker. One of the smallest in North America. 14 to 17 centimeters in length, 25 to 30 centimeters in wingspan. A downy woodpecker. One of the largest, 40 to 49 centimeters in length, 66 to 75 centimeters in wingspan, known for creating large rectangular holes in dead trees. A pileated woodpecker. Medium-sized native to the deserts of southwestern U.S. and Mexico, 22 to 27 centimeters in length, often nests in saguaro cacti. A Gila woodpecker. This woodpecker is medium-sized, 19 to 29 centimeters in length, and 42 to 46 centimeters wingspan. Notable feature: bright red head. Is a red-headed woodpecker. Small size, native to the arid regions of the southern U.S. and Mexico, 15 to 18 inches length. A ladder-backed woodpecker. Medium-sized, native to the eastern U.S., 22 to 26 centimeters in length, 36 to 46 centimeters in wingspan. Red belly is faint. Striking feature: bright red cap from forehead to nape. A red-bellied woodpecker. Large size, found across Europe and Western Asia, 30 to 36 centimeters in length. The green woodpecker. Medium-sized, native to North America and Central America, 21 to 27 centimeters in length and 31 to 34 inches wingspan. Acorn woodpecker. A small migratory woodpecker, native to North America, 17 to 22 centimeters in length and 28 to 33 inches wingspan. Habit of drilling rows of holes. Yellow-bellied sapsucker. Medium size, found in southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico and New Mexico, 19 to 23 inches length. An Arizona woodpecker. Large size, found across North America, 30 to 40 centimeters in length and 42 to 51 centimeters in wingspan. Often forages on the ground. Northern flicker. Medium size, found in western North America, 19 to 22 centimeters in length and 33 to 38 centimeters in wingspan. A red-naped sapsucker. Medium-sized, native to North America, 17 to 22 centimeters in length and 28 to 33 inches wingspan. Males have black and red heads and backs. Females are brown with barred patterns. Williamson sapsucker. Medium-sized, native to North America in boreal forests, 19 to 24 centimeters in length. True to name, only has 3 toes instead of the usual 4. American three-toed woodpecker. Largest woodpecker in Europe, 45 to 55 centimeters in length and 64 to 68 centimeters in wingspan. The black woodpecker. Large size, in Central America, found in lowlands and montane forests, 38 to 46 centimeters in length. Pale-billed woodpecker. Medium-sized, native to Europe and parts of Asia, 28 to 33 centimeters in length and 38 to 44 centimeters in wingspan. The gray-headed woodpecker. Medium size to Europe and North Asia, 23 to 27 inches length. White-backed woodpecker. Small size found across Europe and Western Asia. 14 to 16 centimeters in length. A lesser spotted woodpecker. Hope you enjoyed. Check out more at Queen Quizzes.